Hey guys, this is Coach KEYON Corner, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator, and I'm here to talk to you about how to buy life insurance. Now, upon owning life insurance, you want to make sure that you know what's called your dime method. As you can see right here, the dime method is used to calculate what is your debt, income, mortgage, and educational planning for your children. This tells you how much coverage you need for your life insurance. So for example, you're going to calculate all the debts you owed. You're going to calculate what is your annual income times 10, and what is the balance on your mortgage, and what would a college cost per child. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you have $50,000 in debt. You make about $50,000 a year. You're going to multiply that $50,000 per year for your income replacement by 10, which is $500,000. Then you're going to think about the cost for a college tuition per child. As you know, the average tuition is about $50,000 a year, so college is going to run you about $200,000 per child. So when you add up the $50,000 in debt, $500,000 for income replacement, and let's say that you have a $400,000 balance on your mortgage, and you have one child that you got to plan for college, that's another $200,000. So this means this person would need about $1,150,000 in life insurance coverage. Now you know the coverage that you need, you got to know how to calculate which insurance is affordable for you. And as you can see right here, that will be determined by learning how to put together your budgeting using the 50-30-20 budgeting formula. This formula will help you to know how much you can save and how much you can spend before you could do either one of them. And once you know your budget, that will tell you which life insurance is affordable for you. That could be a term life, a whole life, or some form of index universal life insurance. So that's the reason why it's so important for you to know that insurance, when you go about owning any form of life insurance, it's really all about what is affordable and suitable for you based upon your budget. But most importantly, your dime. So if you like more information and you want to get into classes and you want to learn if you could qualify for the right life insurance for you, just check out the link right there, right down below. Get that link and holla at me. It's time you learn how to put together your family's financial foundation and show you how to win the money game. I'll see you at the top. And also remember to like, share, and follow, and spread the word. Let's keep the education going, guys.